This short reveals a nighttime neuroplasticity routine that boosts memory and resilience by aligning sleep, sound, and breath. Research shows slow nasal breathing plus soft ambient tones modulates heart rate and enhances theta activity, linked to memory consolidation. The 12-minute sequence blends evening wind down, diaphragmatic breathing, and a quick recall exercise to cue hippocampal replay. Mindfulness prompts baton between body awareness and focused attention, while a gentle nap or micro-rest supports synaptic tagging. Start today with a 21-day nightly routine to strengthen attention, learning, and cognitive stamina across daily challenges.